Hi, this is Dave Webb from Venture Caravans, and I'm just going to show you in this short video how to remove the drawer front off this Bailey Pheonix 2023 model. I'm sure it works on other Bailey models as well. Somebody has made in a comment on how you remove the drawer that also works for their 2013 Cadiz. So hopefully this will be useful to quite a few people. The drawer itself, the drawer front itself, has these pieces on the end, and they locate into those positions just there. But when you want to remove it, you have to go underneath and you press these up, and they then hold into position, and you need to do that on both sides. That holds those into position, and then the drawer front will simply pull out. The main reason for taking the drawer front off is probably to tighten up the screws at the back here for the handle. But once you've then taken it out, you then need to put it back into place, and you just literally slot it in on both sides, making sure it's clipped into place, one side and the other, and that's it. You've got your drawer functioning in a normal way, and it's back to being fixed on the front. So hopefully that short video has been very helpful to you. Please like it in the comments if you think so, and thank you for watching.